So got this box. I've been super hyped to get. I've been waiting about 3 to 4 months for it. There's just something about it that I kind of just wanted, and then figure I'd just do this 2-in-1 situation instead of buying a separate piece. You'll see what I mean. It's out of here. It's lighter than I thought. Just a little peek to it, dude. So it does come coated, and you can really tell the finish on it. I actually didn't expect it to be this nice, so I'm super stoked on it. Yeah, so this is the Streetfaction Bash Bar. It's specific for the FD, and I actually got it with the option for the tow hook. So that's what I was referring to. That's like a 2-in-1 piece. Because there's no front tow hook on this car, and with going to the track, you're gonna need that. So I was gonna buy like a separate tow hook to bolt on, but I was like, wait, I'll just get it since I'm already ordering a bash bar. So that's gonna be super nice, super convenient. I'll see how it's gonna fit with the front bumper. I don't really know if I'm gonna go full or not, but we'll see. Yeah, but this bash bar is super, super sick. Looks fully bolted up. So I ended up putting paint on the tow hook of the bash bar because I needed it to mark where the bumper was actually hitting the tow hook. So considering how messed up the bumper is, I'm just gonna go ahead and drill a hole for the tow hook so it could be poking out, because I can't even mount it all the way. Like right about there is where it gets stuck. So there's that big gap. So I need that tow hook to feed through in order for me to even install this bumper so far. So I figure I'm just gonna make a rectangle and or square. Already cleared, bumper sits where it needs to be. But issue I'm having now is the actual hole. The hole isn't really that accessible if you're trying to put a tow hook on it. So I'm trying to see if making the square go higher, I'll have more access to put a tow hook in there. I'm gonna sit it. Yeah, this bash bar looks super, super sick. So this is going to be an update from the last video. I just drove the car like super aggressively around my neighborhood. Did like 2 wide open throttle pulls. I did some data logs to the tuner. So I already saved that file. I'm gonna submit to him. I'll drive the car as is for now. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put this car in the driveway. Just putting this car back in the driveway. Car drives fine. Just put that bash bar on. Super. I don't got no front bumper right now, so I don't want to leave it parked in the street. But I'm super stoked on that. Bash bar's on. I gotta trim that bumper. Bash bar looks sick. I like that it's coated already. I had a feeling I was gonna have to buy, some rattle can paint to paint that bar and then do a bad job on it